Love you, Europa. Snow falling down from heaven. Petro. Ulan ng yelo, guys. Maagang winter season to, mga kaibigan. As you can see, snow falling down from heaven. So we're going back to my bus terminal because my time is 10 in the morning. 10 in the morning. We need to depart from Pakrac going to Lipig. Muusok na yung bunga ko, kaibigan. Oh, maagang winter season to. Santa Claus is coming to town. So, kaya mo, nag-yellow na yung mga damo-damo. Kasi kagabi pa nag-uulan ng yellow, mga kaibigan. So nakakamangha lang dahil umuulan na naman ng yellow. So tingnan natin yung kabundukan ay yung ilog. Kaya apakan natin, no? Nagme-milk na yung ice, mga kaibigan. Ganito pala dito. Ang bilis naman ng winter season. Ilang buwan lang winter season na. Halos 3 months lang yung summer. So babalik tayo sa ating bus stop dito sa Pakrac. So yan ang ating beautiful bus, minibus. Oh. So this is the situation here in our terminal Pakrac. Arriba Colodubor Autotrans. As you can see, there is no passengers. They have the snow has fallen down from heaven. So this is our minibus. Okay. So Nima Potnik, Volume T, Europa, to Virginia. So this is our beautiful minivan made by German, and also this is your driver, handsome. Sama ng mukha. So time to depart 10 in the morning. As you can see, there's a lot of bus here in Pakrac. All to Trans Arriba Colodubor Pakrac Terminal. Rainy days today, and no passengers. Okay, see, no passengers. So that's the situation here today. So they have a beautiful minivan, and you have also a handsome driver. You know, Volume T, Europa. Dobro jutro. Volume T, Europa. Dobro jutro, Europa. Santa Claus is coming to town because of the snow falling down from heaven today. Today is a rainy days here in Pakrac, Croatia. Volume T, Europa. As you can see, this is Lipig area, you know. See, this is our bus stop, Aurea Arriba bus. So today we have snowfalls falling down from heaven. So Santa Claus is coming to town very early. This is rainy days today, my friend. Moy Priatel, Kisha Danas, Nima Putnik, autobus ni Nima Putnik, and also look at the surrounding of Lipig Center. Okay, So, late shower outside. We will going to shower today for rainy days. Santa Claus is coming to town. Okay? Amazing. Almost 3 months of summer. And then winter season is coming now. It's amazing weather, huh? So today is Sima. Dana Sima. So look at the outside, our surrounding and places. As you can see, no traffic because rainy days today. So our beautiful bus stop, and look at the snow. It's become water, milky and then water. So to our beloved friends, drivers here in Croatia and Europe, always take good care, slowly but surely, for your driving, okay? Because the road is wet and slippery. So this is Lipik Center. So I don't have passengers. Okay? From Pakrac going to Lipik, no passengers. From Lipik going back to Pakrac, no passengers. Paktay tayo dyan, paano na to? Hindi problema. Okay? So, yan sa labas. Oh. Yan lang ang ating bus eh. Beautiful Mercedes made by German. And also, you have a handsome driver from Philippines with love. Okay? So, I am your driver here. Okay? So, it's time to depart because our time is 10:15 in the morning here in Pakrac. So, we will going back to Pakrac. So, sorry. Our time here in Lipik, 10:15 in the morning. So, we will depart now. We'll going back to Pakrac. So, Priatelio Moy, do Virginia. Bolem ti Europa. Bye-bye. Dobro jutro. Bolem ti Europa. Bye-bye.